is a very specific genre of photography, and it can be overwhelming when you are first starting out. But as with anything, the best way to get started is to just jump straight in. So in this video, I'm going to be giving you some tips to help you make that jump nice and smoothly. Just going out at a random time of day to a random place and hoping to find some animals generally doesn't work. Think about what animal you would like to get a picture of, and think about where they're likely to be. What time of the day are they active? And what is the best lighting situations to get a great photo of them? To be able to answer the questions in the last tip, you're probably going to need to do a little bit of research. Google is a great place to start, but it's also worth looking at local books and talking to local experts who probably know a lot about the behaviours of the animals in your local area. Unfortunately, wildlife photography is one of the few genres where you do need to invest in decent equipment to get great results. It's often hard to get close to wildlife, and therefore a long telephoto lens comes in really handy. If you're interested in smaller subjects, you may also want to look into getting a macro lens. To learn more about the best lenses for wildlife photography, make sure you check out my blog on the subject. The link is in the description. Many new photographers buy a camera and just leave it on auto mode. Yes, you can get great photos in auto mode, but you have very little control over how the image is actually going to look. By learning what all of those buttons on your camera do and understanding the principles of manual mode, you have a lot more control over the light that is coming into your camera and therefore how your image will look. If you want help with learning how to use your equipment, then make sure you check out my Get to Know Your Camera course. Again, the link is in the description for that. Finally, you probably got into wildlife photography because you love animals and love being out in nature. So make sure that you actually take a few minutes to appreciate where you are and what you are seeing. Because if you're not having fun, then what is the point? I hope that you have found these tips useful. If you want to learn more about wildlife photography, make sure that you subscribe to this channel. Other than that, thanks for watching, and I'll